Do you suffer from itchy skin? Perhaps you're looking for a natural remedy to soothe the irritation. Today we're diving into the world of home remedies, exploring the potential of coconut oil, aloe vera, bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and castor oil. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice, but they might provide some relief. First on our list is coconut oil, a natural moisturizer known for its soothing properties. Simply apply a dollop of pure organic coconut oil to the itchy skin area and gently massage it in. After applying, leave it on for a few minutes to let the skin absorb the oil. Next, we have aloe vera, a plant praised for its healing properties. To harness its soothing power, extract the gel from a fresh leaf and apply it directly to the itchy skin. Alternatively, opt for pure store-bought aloe vera gel. Leave the gel on your skin for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Moving on, we have bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and castor oil. Bentonite clay, known for its healing properties, should be mixed with water to form a paste. Apply it to your skin and rinse after it dries. Next, apple cider vinegar, a classic remedy. Dilute it with water and apply using a cotton ball. Lastly, castor oil, a natural moisturizer. Apply it directly to your skin and leave on. As with any remedy, always test a small amount on your skin first to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. So there you have it, 5 home remedies to help soothe itchy skin. From coconut oil to aloe vera to bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and castor oil, these natural solutions can provide relief. Remember, these aren't substitutes for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful home remedies.